gentlemen, if we get a particular riches of all, we'd like to know the safety feature of Boeing 737-700. There's a safety seatback or ledger pocket in front of you. 2 passenger seatbelts slide the flight attendant to the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten to release lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tightly across strips to make sure it's worn at all times while seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back, signs overhead, and lights on the floor will lead you to your exit. In the event of an evacuation, follow flight attendant commands and leave. There's a light on your altitude, so it's going in and out. You guys following along? I can do it again. I can do it faster. There's a life vest in your seat. Remove the vest only told to do so. Pull and strap to open the container. Remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Plug on the front. Pull tight. Once we're outside the aircraft, hold down on the red down to place the vest and manual swivel onto your shoulder. There's a light on the vest that activates once in the water. For instructions how to use the life vest for an infant, refer to the safety information card. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're homing by to see the seatbacks and tray tables in our upright locked position. Your carrying items are stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving your last area right as being completely clear that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, is not permitted on board. This includes aircraft lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in a lavatory, and federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all information signs, types of placards, crew member instructions. This includes the information on seatbelts and smoking. From the compartment overhead. To activate the flow box, your pull down of the mask until plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove your mask or face covering. Place the yellow mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally. Secure the mask using elastic straps. Although oxygen be pulling the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified crew member. If you're traveling with children that require special assistance, put your mask on first. Flight attendants are here for your comfort as well as your safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. 1 hour and 16 minutes of airborne flying time. We're headed to Dallas, Florida. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to dim the cabin lighting for departure. If you're part of the use of additional ring lights, take a moment to look above you, and you'll see a couple of them that have pictures of light bulbs on them. If you don't know what a light bulb looks like, it's the emoji of a bright idea.